take a slow breath in and let it go a little longer. And again, nothing to solve right now, nothing for you to do, nowhere to rush, just this breath and just this moment. So just breathe in slowly and let it go, breathing out just a little bit longer. And again, the out breath just a little bit longer. The exhale is your switch to calm. Let the jaw relax, some separation between the back teeth. The forehead smooth. You don't have to think your way out of this moment. You can breathe your way through it. Overthinking is just energy, looping too fast. And your breath slows the loop. Every exhale unties one knot. You don't need to chase the thoughts. You don't need to silence them. You step back and let them run out of fuel. Because breath is fuel control. As you breathe and feel good, you let the shoulders drop, feeling the weight of your body supported. You don't need to solve anything right now. There's nothing for you to do. This is not the moment for questions or answers. This is a moment for space. This is a moment for space. And space changes everything. Thoughts lose their sharp edges when you stop gripping them. Let them drift into the background like a distant radio. You don't need to turn it off. You just stop leaning in. And as you lean back internally, quiet grows naturally. And in your mind, you can say quietly, "Not now, I choose calm." And again, "Not now, I choose calm." Overthinking fades when calm becomes more interesting. And right now, calm is easy. Calm is pleasant. As you breathe and feel good, gently in and a little bit longer out, down to the tummy with the gentle breath. That means that calm is available to you anytime you breathe like this. Anytime. And when you're ready, bring awareness back to the room around you and your body. You can gently come back to full awareness, carrying the quiet with you, and you can open your eyes gently. Calm is available to you any time you breathe like this. Anytime. Calm is portable. Carry it with you.